Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Injustice 2 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Injustice 2 game on your device. And once you are taken into the main menu, you can immediately start playing from various different game modes. Now, if you wish to change your username, just tap on your profile icon at the top left corner, which will now open up your player account. Now, alongside your username, just tap on the pen icon. And now you can enter your desired username. Once you enter your username, tap on the Done button, and then tap on OK, and then tap on Continue. This will now change your username, and it will be reflected within your profile right away. And you can come back to this page in order to change your username as many times as you want in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on the Injustice 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.